Hello guys, welcome to your Excuse Me Max channel. இந்த வீடியோல லாஸ்ட் 7 years PYQ ல இருந்து first chapter ஓட 3 marks questions மட்டும் பார்க்க போறோம். First question, verify the property A transpose the whole inverse is equal to A inverse the whole transpose with A is equal to matrix of 2 9 1 7. இது 2020 ல கேட்ட question. இது நம்ம bookல example 1.8. So here we have given a 2 by 2 matrix. As we know, A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. Verify the property using this formula. We get determinant of A is equal to 5 and find out A inverse using the formula. We get A inverse is equal to, substitute பண்ணி simplify பண்ணுங்க. We get matrices of 7 by 5 minus 9 by 5 minus 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Now take the transpose. A inverse the whole transpose is equal to, take 1 by 5 outside into matrices of 7 minus 1 minus 9 2. So இது A inverse the whole transpose. So the equation 1 in வச்சுக்கோங்க. Next we have to find out A transpose the whole inverse. Now A transpose is equal to matrices of 2 1 9 7 and determinant of A transpose is equal to 5. So therefore A transpose the whole inverse is equal to 1 by 5 into matrix of 7 minus 1 minus 9 2. So the equation 2 in vechkonga. As equation 1 and 2 are equal, we have A transpose the whole inverse is equal to A inverse the whole transpose. Hence property is verified. Next second question, if A is equal to matrix of 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 3 1 minus 3 2 3, find determinant of adjoint A. இது 2024 ல கேட்ட question. இது bookல இல்லாத question. So what you have to find out? Determinant of adjoint A. For this we know determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant of A the whole power n minus 1 the whole square by theorem 1.9 fifth point. Since it is a 3 by 3 matrix, here n is equal to 3, determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant of A the whole power 3 minus 1 the whole square, that is equal to determinant of A the whole power 4. Therefore determinant of A is equal to minus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 the whole power 4 is equal to 1. So therefore determinant of adjoint A is equal to plus 1. Hence the solution of this problem. Our next problem is, if f of alpha is equal to matrix of cos alpha 0 sin alpha 0 1 0 minus sin alpha 0 cos alpha, show that f of alpha the whole power minus 1 is equal to f of minus alpha. இது 2023 ல கேட்ட question. இது bookல exercise 1.1 third sum. First find out f of minus alpha and multiply f of alpha into f of minus alpha. We get identity matrix. From that we have f of minus alpha is equal to f of alpha the whole inverse. Next question, if A is equal to matrix of 8 minus 4 minus 5 3, verify that A of adjoint A is equal to adjoint A of A is equal to determinant of A into I2. இது 2024 ல கேட்ட question. இது bookல exercise 1.1 ல 6th sum. Matrix கொடுத்து verify பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So first find the determinant of A. So our determinant of A is equal to 4. Then find the adjoint for a 2 by 2 matrix. That is, interchange the elements in the leading diagonal and change the sign of the elements in the off diagonal. That is, adjoint A is equal to 3 4 5 8. Then compute A of adjoint A. That is, multiply the two matrices. You should get a diagonal matrix with equal diagonal entries and zeros in the other two elements. That is, A of adjoint A is equal to 4 0 0 4. Next, compute adjoint A of A. Multiply in reverse order, you should obtain the same matrix. That is, adjoint A of A is equal to 4 0 0 4. Next, find determinant of A into I2. that is multiply the determinant which you have found before by I2. That is determinant of A into I2 is equal to 4004. Now compare the results and see whether they are identical. So here they are identical. So therefore A of adjoint A is equal to adjoint A of A is equal to determinant of A into I2. Hence verified. Find the rank of the matrix 2 minus 2 4 3 minus 3 4 minus 2 minus 1 6 2 minus 1 7 by reducing it to an Ecolian form. இது 2026ல கேட்ட question. இது bookல example 1.18. Reducing a matrix to row Ecolian form means using elementary row operations until the matrix has a staircase pattern. That is, below diagonal elements, all elements should get 0. The rank of a matrix in row Ecolian form is the number of non-zero rows in it. So எவ்வளோ non-zero rows இருக்குன்னு count பண்ணுங்க. அதான் உங்கள் rank of a matrix. For this question, perform elementary row operations by taking the first row as the pivot row. இது example 1.18 sum. இதில் கொடுத்த மாதிரி row operations பண்ணலாம் or make your own row operations and transform a given non-zero matrix to a simplified form to make a row Ecolian form. Ecolian form கிடைச்சதுக்கப்புறம் count the number of non-zero rows. If there are 3 non-zero rows, your rank is equal to 3. If there are 2 non-zero rows, your rank is 2. Here in this problem, your rank is 3. Our next problem, find the rank of the matrix 0 1 2 1 0 2 4 3 8 1 0 2 is equal to 3. So you have to show this, the rank is equal to 3. இது 2021ல கேட்ட question. இது exercise 1.2 first ல 5th sum. Since it is 3 by 4 matrix, the maximum possible rank is 3. First check for 3 by 3 minor. Don't choose the first 3 columns because its determinant becomes 0. So if we take determinant of 1 2 1 2 4 3 1 0 2, so that is equal to, we get 2 which is not equal to 0. So this determinant is non-zero. So therefore rank is 3. Hence proved. Next, find the rank of the matrix 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 minus 2 3 1 minus 1 1 by row reduction method. இது 2022ல கேட்ட question. இது exercise 1.2ல second sum. It is 4 by 3 matrix. So the maximum possible rank is 3. First keep R1 as it is and make zeros below the first pivot using R2 as R2 minus 3 R1 and R3 minus R1 and R4 as R4 minus R1. You get this matrix. Similarly, make the entries below minus 7 is equal to 0 by performing R3 as 7 R3 minus 4 R2, R4 as 7 R4 minus 3 R2. Now make the last entry of R4 as 0 using R4 as 8 R4 plus R3. We get matrix of 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 7 5 0 0 8 0 0 0. So there are 3 non-zero rows, so rank of A is equal to 3. Hence the solution of this problem. Next problem, solve the following system of linear equations using matrix inversion method. 5x plus 2y is equal to 3, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. இது 2022ல கேட்ட question. The bookல example 1.22. First write the system in matrix form Ax is equal to B, where A is equal to matrix of 5 2 3 2, x is equal to xy, b is equal to 3 5. Find determinant of A. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, then A inverse exists. Here determinant of A is equal to 4. So find A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. So that is equal to 1 by 4 into matrix of 2 minus 2 3, 5. Then use the formula x is equal to A inverse B and multiply the matrices to obtain the values of x and y. That is, matrix of xy is equal to 1 by 4 into matrix of 2 minus 2 minus 3 5 into matrix of 3 5 is equal to matrix of minus 1 4. So therefore we get x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 4. Next, solve the following system of equations using matrix inversion method. 2x1 plus 3x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 5, x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 is equal to minus 4, 3x1 minus x2 minus 2x3 is equal to 3. இது 2026 கேட்ட question. இது bookல example 1.23. Same as the last problem. Only thing we have 3 by 3 matrix. Write the system in the form Ax is equal to B, where A is equal to matrix of 2 3 3, 1 minus 2 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2, x is equal to matrix of x1 x2 x3 and b is equal to matrix of 5 minus 4 3. Then find determinant of A. Our determinant of A is equal to 40, which is not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. So therefore our A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. So we have A inverse is equal to 1 by 40, matrix of 5 3 9, 5 minus 13 1, 5 11 minus 7. Now use the formula x is equal to A inverse B and multiply, you get x1, x2 and x3. So here you have x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2 and x3 is equal to minus 1. Next, last problem. Solve the system of linear equations by matrix inversion method. 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 2, x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. இது 2025 கேட்ட question. இது bookல exercise 1.3. First sum. Same as 8th problem. Write the equations in matrix form Ax is equal to B and find the determinant of A. Here determinant of A is equal to minus 1. Then find A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So here A inverse is equal to matrix of minus 2 5 1 minus 2. Finally find x and y using the formula x is equal to A inverse B. So we have x is equal to minus 11 and y is equal to 4 is the solution of this problem. You can verify your answer by substituting x and y in the given equations and see. If it satisfies, your answer is correct. Okay, இதோட 3 marks questions முடிஞ்சது. இனி next வீடியோல 5 marks questions பார்க்கலாம். இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்படியே சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. Thanks for watching.